Hey, it's Kevin, Red Living, Philippines, over here at Edmar and Eileen's new house. It's just about done. The finishing touches. I believe someone's here installing air conditioners today, but let's take a look at their house. Need some sunglasses, it's bright. Let's take a look at where we're at. Almost there. Looks like it need a little bit more painting outside here on the outside wall. Not really a must. Here's your little lights they chose. You don't have the gates in yet. Nope. Let's take a step back. Their front door, entryway. They got the carport. There's their barn door style. I'm not sure where that one goes. I don't think it's the front door. Not sure if it's the front door. Looks like they need to pour some more concrete here or tile it, something. I don't know what goes there. I think that's the front door that was in there. It slides that way. I don't see a track. Anyhow, they got some track lighting installed on their ceiling. Camera. I'll step on their stuff there. Walk around. So there's their accent wall. All the way up to the second floor. And then their lights, chandelier lights. So there's the living room. Goes up to the second floor. Front door. Here's his office. There's the bathroom. There's no electricity, so I can't turn the light on. You can see where it comes into the house, but it's not connected. See, sink's not in yet. Toilet's there, shower's done. Glass doors. For their plants. Gonna have plants there. And then there's storage, of course, under the stairs. Some little terrarium indoor plant area. More track lighting for the kitchen. A couple of low-hanging chandeliers. There's the back patio door. And they got rails there for whatever reason. Framing. I'll have to see what that's all about on the floor. Kitchen counter's not in yet. Made a lot of progress since the last video. Another barn style door for the pantry. Dirty kitchen door. Slides nice and easy. Whoa. Nice texture on the wall for the dirty kitchen. Hallway out to the carport. Okay. Textured walls all the way throughout the carport. I don't know if they're doing that on this wall or not, or if these are staying white. That's where they blend in the door frame. Is that metal or concrete? Composite. Wall accented outlets. Up the stairs. Some more sunlight. Daylight windows. Back out to the balcony, has rails on it now. The last time it didn't. Master bedroom. Main bedroom. Accented walls. Some cabinets. See, they're piecing together their walk-in closet. Actually, you walk in it kind of as you go into the main bathroom. They don't have the sink up here either, but they got the toilet and shower as well. Coming along nicely. Huh? Nice little flush light switches. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what that is for the AC. Oh, that's a big light toggle. Bedroom number one. Place for a desk, shelves, and a wall locker type unit for clothing. Sock and underwear drawers. I'm sure one side will have shelves and maybe the other side hangers, maybe not. I don't know what the finished product is. I'm not sure what that's for, if that goes inside that closet or if it's going to go up on the wall for more storage. Who knows? We'll see it when it's done. Bedroom number two. Same unit. A desk with storage. Windows. Same windows there. Let's see how this bathroom's coming along. It's locked. Maybe they got something curing in there. Don't even walk in. Oh, still in work on the railings. They're installing them. Wooden rail. Drove my little scooter over. There's the view. It's hot. It's like 1 in the afternoon. Kevin, Red Living Philippines, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a good day.